I'm making a video to demonstrate this vintage Arnex 5-minute repeating pocket watch that I just finished. So when you press the plunger in, it's going to sound out 12 strikes for the hour and then 11 double strikes, ding-dongs, because we're at the 55-minute mark. So let's do this now. Works perfectly. Let's go ahead and advance the time just so you can see that this works as it should. So we're right at 1 o'clock. So it should just chime once without any 5-minute ding-dongs. And it did. We'll advance the time again. And let's do 1:45. Works perfectly. Very, very nice cosmetic condition. This pocket watch did not see a lot of use. You can see by the case that it's very nice. The dial is pristine and so is the crystal. It keeps excellent time and the repeating mechanism functions exactly as it should. Take care.